Lesikhungo siney'phehla imandla zomoya ezingama-48.
Kwaqala East wind farm has started generating enough clean electricity to power over 111,000 average South African homes. Just as importantly, wind power emits zero carbon emissions and reduces the use of fossil fuels. Also notable is that the region benefits from almost zero water consumption during the power generation process.
Ugesi ophehlwa lapha udlula ezigabeni ezihlukene ngaphambi kokuba ufakwe kowezwe.
This electricity is fed by means of a cable system through various step-up transformers and overhead power lines into the national grid.
Selokhu lesikhungo saqala ukuphehla ugesi esiwuthengisa ngasese, umnyango wezemali esifundazweni wanxusa ungqongqoshe wezamagugu ambiwayo namandla kuba ukubeke phezulu ukuthengwa kogesi okhiqizwa ngendlela enganukubeza imvelo.
The Kwaqala East wind farm, which is a great example of how private sector investment in renewable energy infrastructure can not only help to mitigate the effects of load shedding, but also create jobs and grow the economy in the Western Cape.
Lolu hlelo lokuphehla ugesi lungabamba iqhaza elikhulu ekwakheni ke amathuba omsebenzi, kwehlise nokwethembela kwezwe ekhiqizeni ugesi ngamalahle okuzokwehlisa futhi ke nokungcoliseka komoya.